When a produce tag has a 3 in the beginning, unfortunately, that means it is a GMO product. I have been unable to find any organic or conventional aloe vera leaves lately. So I am showing you how to peel the aloe vera. This is just one of the many ways to peel the aloe vera leaf. And if you are not good with a knife, I recommend you try another way or use a duller knife. Also, you can just split the aloe vera leaf in half and just scoop it out with a spoon. Now, how to make aloe gel. Blend for 1 second unless you are making aloe vera juice. Now get a scarf to put on your head. No, just kidding. Wet it to hold it in place and use it as your strainer. Feel free to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe now. that is how to peel the aloe vera leaf and to make aloe vera gel. Feel free to try it yourself.